Are you outgrowing your business? Check out this 4,930 square feet heated shop with 14 pull-through door and 2 additional 10 doors on the east side. Other amenities included are mezzanine storage and half bath. There is also a 1,508 square feet office building with 4 individual offices, reception area and half bath with laundry. All this on 2.7 acres, which is sure to be enough space for all your equipment or additional future improvements to suit. Call Natasha Hatfield-Peck at 307-851-8791 to schedule your showing today.